everyone. It's time to play What's That Sound? Alright, everyone, this week we're going to play a game of What's That Sound? So here is the sound.
It tickles, but
That's not it. And let's go.
It sounds like my grandmother slurping a bowl of cereal, and then it sounds like using this pencil and like someone getting like a binder like outside and like, you feel me?
I feel you.
Like a dog?
I don't think I should say what I think it is.
I don't think you should either.
You know, I'm not really sure what that sounds like, but I'm pretty sure. You can check out the Brandon Hall Twitter page right here. You love it, follow it, tweet at it, retweet it, tell your friends, tell your mom's friends.
Yo, play it again. Sounds like a dog or something. Drinking out of a bowl, I don't know.
Drinking what out of a bowl?
Water.
Water.
A dog?
You know, I'm just trying to figure out what kind of dog makes such an... oh, maybe that one. That one looks kind of scary.
A dog. Someone chewing gum.
they're both wrong. It's a ping pong game.
You know, I don't really know what that is, but I can try and replicate it.
You're getting there.
Oh, that's it. That's the one. That's the one.
It's the one.
Actually, what I think it sounds like is
All right. You guys were close, but really, what the sound was... Is that Sean eating spaghetti with a fork and a knife? You know, I just can't. I can't do this anymore. That's it. Dude, this is pathetic, all right? One of those utensils is completely unnecessary. Just get that. Just get these out of here, all right? Just take that, and that's it, all right? See you next week.